When a woman rejects you, you think it's all over. You can't get the other female. You can't think that you can move on from her. Okay. When a woman rejects you, she will come right back. She'll be begging because she thought the grass was greener on the other side. So when you have moved on from that chick that rejected you, and you worked on working with other women, other females, other side chick that you had on your list. That's the key. Having extra women on your list. For that when you get rejected and when she's ready to come back, she's gonna be begging. You can say yes or no. But don't take those women that rejected you because once they see that what you have going on for yourself, you're a high value man, you respect yourself, then she's gonna wanna swing right back around. Older women will come around when you're looking icy and when you have everything going for yourself. Because when they think the grass is greener on the other side, they want to take care of a grown-ass man that don't even have a job, nowhere to go, nowhere to stay. But you, the high-value man that got rejected, she's gonna second guess and say, you know what, let me try to see and talk to him and see what's going on. But you have other women on your list, so you have to be strong and say no. When you get rejected and they come back to your circle because they want to be around you because you have a certain energy, you have a certain entity. So women reject you because they think they don't find you attractive. Then they think the grass is greener on the other side, which is not. That's why you have to be, as a man, have other women, have side chicks. Always. That's today's video. It's the Midtown. Continue to take the red pill.